Welcome back, my name's Max. Today at John Kleis Car Audio, we've just completed another Yeti for a DMX8021DABS head unit. Customer's factory head unit. Common problem on these cars and many other VWs and Seats and Skodas is that the touchscreen stops working on the factory unit. So this customer's come in, we've upgraded him to have something which is going to integrate into the car perfectly and give him extra features like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, the ability to add HDMI if you wanted, but he hasn't actually gone for that. But also it comes with a 3-year warranty, so a few more years of hassle-free radioing. Let me spin the camera around and show you what it looks like. Here we are, Apple CarPlay is wirelessly connected already to my telephone. If you haven't seen Apple CarPlay already, then it's just a much nicer way of integrating your phone into the car, mainly for your maps, music. My personal choice is Tidal, and you've also got things like messages, phone calls, check your favorites, recents, contacts, keypads, check your voicemail. All of that good stuff that you need to do on your phone is all accessible, all via your fingertips. You've got DAB radio apps as well if you struggle with DAB reception in your area. And you've also got other navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze. Sorry, I keep missing the screen there. You've got Google Maps, Waze. You can download TomTom Go navigation. But it's just nice, this type of navigation. You can just type in whatever you're thinking rather than having to put postcodes and door numbers, and you can find your local Waitrose or pub or restaurant, anything you can think, you can just enter it like you're Googling it. That is the beauty of Google Maps, Apple Maps and Waze. That's Apple CarPlay, a super brief walk around that. Obviously there's an Android version. Now the integrations to this car, we do keep the steering controls working for turning the volume up and skipping the tracks. We also have some integrations to the car. When you press like the heated seat button, stuff like that, it will control and show some bits and bobs on the screen just to show you what is going on with like temperatures. Let's not cook the customer when he gets back in his car. That would tend to just go off the screen, or you can just hit that to go back. When you put this into reverse, it will come up with your rear parking sensors on optical. So as you reverse up to the object, that will come up. Out reverse, it will go back to your normal Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This is the home screen, the head unit, where you've got the DAB radio. All your DAB channels will be in here. You can set your presets down the side. Pull this menu over to the side to work out what's saved in there. Nothing yet, as we'll be saving that in with the customer, but it's as easy as selecting the station. It will start playing. It's playing quietly, but don't want to get any copyright strikes, and you just hold it down for a sec, and then boom, you get a little beep and it all is saved on there. So really nice and easy to save your radio stations, and yeah, loads of stations inside here, and you can page up and down here or just jump to the bottom on the top of the list that way as well. But that is a very brief look at the DAB radio. It does have screen mirroring for Android users, although I'm an iPhone user, and you can add a HDMI in the glove box. We've actually retained the aux as well for this customer, as he had some device he liked to play through there, and we put our USB port into the factory location. Sorry that I'm putting that on its side, but that just sits down there. So our new USB goes in there, and you get this funky adapter from Kenwood. It goes in there, so if you've still got your normal USB lead, you can get it all going. I've shown you the integration, I've shown you pretty much what this Kenwood looks like, all using a flush fitting kit. That's how we will fit these stereos. We find it looks the best and the most professional. That's it, I'm wrapping up the video here. Thanks for watching. If you've got a Skoda Yeti or any other VW platform, group car, and you want to upgrade the radio to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, get in contact with us and we can create a quote for you. Take care, I'll see you in the next video.